Here we are on another beautiful day in the Stuart Jensen Beach area, out for a ride. And I figured I'd pull over and go over some of the upgrades I've done to this 2021 Street Glide Special. Alright, first thing, like most people do, I got an exhaust. Slip-ons, they're called Sharks, and they light up the sound. How's that? Another upgrade, I'm going to turn the lights on in a minute, but I did a lighting upgrade, custom dynamics, turn signals, these strips right here on both sides. Alright, let me go turn it on. You can see how this thing lights up. And while I'm down here, flush mount gas cap. And Avon grips, KST 12-inch Mayhem bars, highway pegs. They are actually Harley Davidson. And I did a little blackout kit here. I don't know if you can see them. Right here, here, other areas. Blacking out the chrome as much as I can. And in the front, Memphis shades, 6-inch. And these right here, they're JES for the forks. They keep this front end down on the highway. Here, as you know, on the as you may not know, on the 2021 models, they did away with the closable air vent on the fairing. I got mine to close. Well, I had to order that part, but you know what, I'm liking it. There you go. And because I got the higher bars, I had to have the mirrors relocated. So they're down low. I got used to them quick though. And let's see if there's anything else I might have missed. Oh, the black opening rather than the chrome latch there. That's a Harley Davidson bag bar right there. And like I said, I'll turn on the lights so you can get an idea how these babies really light everything up. Let's see, here we go. You can see that difference right there. I have done nothing with the sound system, because I don't listen to the radio that often when I'm riding. I'm just enjoying the ride. Here's with the hazards on, and you can see the turn signals are really lighting up. When you hit the brakes, it's like a light show. Alright, that's about all I got for now. But again, it's a 2021 Street Glide Special. Loving the hell out of it. Oh, I put the crash bars on there too. Almost forgot them. With the bags. Good thing I did, because I've actually dropped this sucker. And it protected them, let me tell you. And I can't think of anything else. It's snake venom. Changes colors. And that's about it that I can think of. Again, the crash bars or the bag protectors, whatever you want to call them. But yeah, loving this bike. Got 6,500 plus on it already. I've only had it since June. All right, everybody, hope you enjoyed the tour. Chat with you all later.